Hi, so some of you have contacted me and you're experiencing a little bit of confusion navigating our InfoSource training page. So I'm going to create this screencast to try to help alleviate some of that confusion. So I'm going to assume that you're able to successfully log into our Moodle site, which is found at courses.spatialsci.com, and using that password and username that you've created, that you are able to successfully log into this website. On this website, you'll find a web link that will take us out to our InfoSource site. So if you want to just go ahead and click on that web link, it'll open up a new web browser um, where you will be asked to sign in again using your ID and your password. Remember, we're not a new user anymore, so we can go ahead and hit the continue button, and it should sign in right to your home page. So your home page should look something like this, with your menu at the left and choices in the middle. Today we're just going to concentrate on My Courses and go ahead and click the My Courses tab. So once we're into our courses, you can see that you've been assigned a selection of different sections according to your performance on that test that we took in December. So if we go ahead and look again at our worksheet that we use to aggregate our data, remember that sections relate to standards, then we were going to drill down through our tracks into our courses and then finally into our lessons. So again, using our data aggregation, let's target something that maybe we have one or two minuses in, and that way we will be building on our knowledge instead of just reinforcing knowledge that we already have. So using this worksheet, let's go ahead and select standard 2 from our list. So when we go back to our website, we can see that standard 2 is right here on the top of this list. Now this is a good point to bring up. In our InfoSource website, the standards aren't in order from 1 through 6. Our standards are actually in alphabetical order in this web page. So standard 2 is actually on top. It's a good thing to have your worksheet out and cross-reference the wording from your InfoSource site with your worksheet. So let's go ahead and click into standard 2, and let's just go ahead and go into the track Utilize Technology to Collaborate, Publish, and Interact. And from here we have 3 courses that we can choose from. All 3 of these courses will have to be completed before the track is satisfied, before you pass that track. So let's go ahead and select the first one, Collaborating Using Networks. So once we go into this track, this becomes our lesson, and this first lesson is simply a pretest. If you notice here, this is the only one allowed to you at this point. Once you've taken the pretest, and depending on your performance on that pretest, other modules will become available to you, other lessons will become available to you. So again, if we track back using our menu options right here, let's go into using email. Now I took this pretest and I didn't perform very well on this pretest. I got a 60% on it. So now you can see that InfoSource has launched a few other lessons that I may need to go back and review so I can pass this course. So it's suggesting that I take these 2 other lessons and review those as well. So hopefully this is a quick tutorial to kind of clear up some of that confusion on drilling down in our InfoSource website. One quick reminder is use your menu here at the back, at the top of the page, instead of using your back button, because if you use your back button it may take you out of the InfoSource page. So good luck, have fun, and we'll see you soon.